I'm at actually, no, sorry. Leg loop. He hops up. He walks around, goes wrestler's pass. Heavy on the chest. Heavy with the head control. I'm still here, okay? I got two options. I can either let go, try to roll the turtle, or I can take the momentum. This is the weak spot, okay? I'm pushing. I'm going to come up underneath, loop the arm. This is going to come around. I don't need to break the grip. It comes around. Out he comes, into the Japanese armbar. Last one. Double hand control. At speed, he's up. He goes around. Boom. Come around. Got it. One more. All the way around. 1, 2, 3. Still working the walk around, okay? Except we're not gonna let him go all the way down. He pops up from base. Leg lasso hits. He goes around, and before he drops, we stiffen the leg clean to the opposite hip. I'm still locked on the far side arm. Okay? Now, I'm gonna spike the heels down. Scoot under. The sweep goes. We can finish any way we want. Okay? Coming up or around into the armbar. However you want to finish. One more time. You have to be beyond the knee. The knee is important. Coming underneath, he hits the walk. I stiffen. Foot is in the hip. I'm rotating around my thigh, not around my knee, not around my lower leg. Once I get to this point, feet come down, roll underneath, arm breaks, our arm goes down, posture's broken. I come under, knee is around, hit the arm bar. Here we go, 1, 2, 3.